Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP EliteBook X G2i 14 driver. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you have to type mandatory this driver. Okay, and then this is first link support.hp.com, this official website. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, so this is your laptop again, you can see, and this is the model number. Okay, scroll down and select the operating system Windows 10, and then also select, and if you are using different versions it's okay, otherwise you can select only Windows 11, and after that click to submit. Then scroll down and extract network. Then you can see HP 5G sub CAT19 driver. Okay, and click to download. This is almost 153 size. Okay, and after that it will start in the download box. Okay, then it is completed. Single click to open. So this is installation window. Okay, HP 5G Sub-6 CAT19 driver. Click to next. I accept. Then next, next. Now it is installing. Okay, and then click to finish it. And one time restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.